Are you downsizing? I have a lot of clients who are looking to move in from bigger spaces to actually smaller spaces for a number of reasons, whether because it's more energy efficient or because the kids have left the nest. There are lots of different reasons why you might be looking to downsize. So today I'm going to share with you some really simple organization tips that can help you maximize the space that you have and gain a little bit more storage in the process. Let's check it out. If limited closet space is an issue for you, you have to share your closet with your partner or hang multiple different types of clothing into one small closet, I recommend this product. I am not endorsed. I don't get a sponsorship or anything. That being said, if the company who makes these is looking for somebody, I really love these and I would like more. Anyway, very simple. Throw your hangers on there, drop it down to one side. You're using your closet vertically as opposed to horizontally. If you get 5 of these babies, I guarantee you it's going to make your closet so much easier to maneuver around. And they are super affordable and easy to use. This one doesn't really deserve a whole lot of discussion, but it's a great space-saving solution if you have a narrow bathroom. You need to hang multiple towels at one time, and you can easily push them off to the side once they're dry. Magic. Welcome to the very intimate setting of my bedroom. Now, bed, very important piece of furniture. Great for sleeping, great for storage. My recommendation to you is go to Ikea or your favorite outfitting store and pick up a box that you can store your items in. This is one from Ikea. They have lots of different sizes available that will fit the space that you have. And in these boxes, what I do is I store my summer clothing, specific summer clothing in here in the wintertime, and I transition it with the winter specific clothing in the summertime. And I can tuck things away when I am not using them.
I like multi-purpose furniture, things that look great but serve a purpose besides their own, like this great military chest that I converted into a coffee table. Not only does it look cool, but it stores some very important items.
I know that these tips are things that I've been able to do in my own space that have worked for me, so hopefully they work for you. If you're just new in the process of starting to wrap your brain around downsizing, maybe you've already started paring down, my biggest advice is just to be generous with yourself in this process. It can be sometimes emotional, painful, frustrating, confusing, having to go through your items, pare down things, and decide what you really need and what you maybe can live without. And also trying to find solutions that work in your property. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys have a great day and happy organizing.